So nice. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Boleh?
Yes, kau
Yeah, yes. Sorry. Hani klimat ni don yak we ka benta jong ka jingim. But ke jing sna content ke jonga hangne hapo hani YouTube hagi babon ki benta ki platform ki per te bat nga sungtenat ba hakum kani kapor hakum kani klimat hapadeng ke jinge itu itau link bagi screen ke ba nga pe pe jaga tang link bagi screen yo wan ya lam ya yue na ki kong ki ba pi baro pi itu lut te lesi la pim itu te rasa kale no namar kelalong no pi pempat ju page internet menur pempat ju use Instagram menuru ting idon hang ni hapadeng jongi bat yue ikong na search long iban penhi kai pi kum no ban penja nyang mong.
Very nice.
Please welcome. How can I podcast ni sipin ngis ada week introduction ni please welcome. Ya iwe na kikong. Ikong ngala banong no na Shillong skincare queen. Ha? Ba ita ide ikong sunscreen.
Thank you. What an honor, ma. Bangan dan have vlog jumpi.
Oh, nice. Tama kani kam diksin ke beningkong?
Hot. Kamu deh, exactly. Oh,
last time pula don.
Hai tu hello Meghalaya.
Tama kami yo ikran ba.
Hot.
Kami yo ban ikran ba ti takadaw kala along no kumba ka dangsa katu ka ba. Don kam ban ikran ti takadaw ngidon masaha kani ke jaga ti ngam ngini ikran yo das. I mean, tang ban sipen bang ni bro kana bikin page ni podcast.
I mean, ma pigan magli questions. I'll just answer, ma.
Kaya ba pikwa ban YouTube, kaya ba pikwa ban keren kaya ban YouTube ya ki followers. Come down really ki followers gujong pi ki ba lesi nga try kendang yo iya kan ni. Kajung ya keren for the very first time.
Oh, kade kata.
Oh, of course pi pila bun ba ki ba pi keren ling ba ka you ki mini vlogs kajong pi ba ki way. Tin ring nga try
Mereka ni kan long
kemenang
deep
dil se wala conversation kemenang no.
Oh, this is like a deep dive. Spill ke tea. Kumbaong ha pareng.
Ya, anyway tang man re ya ke bangi ni keren mentahang ni kan kam pair bhan ki jing lesen ke ba PPGE in la kapor lese a few beauty tips.
Oh,
maybe
yes.
Let's say ka journey jong iru hakabay day bat ka bashna content hakjo kapor bat kini ki let's say ki jeng alenti jong pi hakabay day ba content bashna content jong pi ka ong bay let's say ka jeng alenti jong pi hakibabun ki liang ki ba ki i bhaling ba screen taman re let's say kim pat sung thulut kim pat tiblut what's behind the screen. Kumanong no ki jing shem ki jong pi struggle ki jong pi the fun times and the good times and the bad times but ki
And in between.
Oh di tapi ko ani ada ka English ne khasi ne khalish ne
Ini both ma.
piang mai tip top thias tinas tinga ko pi pen ya page ini video ngam tip lanu ngin pen mi taman re stay tuned le de pim pat subscribe ka hashlong podcast please subscribe no khna pini ki conversation ki babon ba ki balong spontaneous unfiltered but ki bengi kiran hang ni there's no edit
Yeah, perfect. I like
that ai tar vek
Tham tu.
ai vek nyang vek anyway so suppose mata if you ever get the chance but people face ya ki comments ki jong pi face to face ngatai kata ngan sekalian kata ai sibenta ti ngatai tam sibin bangi ki real I mean you can see the best answer for the podcast maybe tin rila pi yo ban one face to face kum ni bat nga bat pi ban kren ki real kam tam ki comments some
He hate comments bang siya.
yeah of course la kalong ki hate lani even the love comments kuman siya kay what will be your reaction like you can do markmat but kay ka response ka jong pi try hangdi pi pilang perkhat
Nothing. I don't have hate. Yaki breaki bawan I hate yang namal balay kisong beauty is in the eye of the beholder. The same way hate and lust and everything else kade and the eye holder. The K1 changa I don't have a problem. I've never met them apa you can do kita ngap right open minded but like I will ask them questions kamu kilang.
Just be nice.
Yeah. But like you know it's just have done open mind but that's my philosophy. Halai ba have lang be open minded. It doesn't matter. Namang ngidi kasli ra. Ngidi gibrio betul ngidi kari betul brio betul belai.
Yes. Tik kena tati, tik kena. Ti ngatrai ngin sa khamia philosophize bhash bit ngin dalai keren bha. Ti tama ngayo kwe ka call ni pans ngat jonga. Let me just answer this one. Oi. Ngadang dan podcast keniat you're in the middle of a podcast. Ti boleh phone pa.
Hello.
Ngadan ni bedi kong Catherine shut up. Kumno piyong to ay nga ko jingkli any beauty question beauty tips pikwa ban kli na nga sakli ka podcast.
Ban remove Emilia.
Oh, nice question.
Mata.
Hai. Okay, shukran ni khnat. My wife.
Hello, kono filang.
Hello, biahi.
They flatten baby I'm in tabun kamade.
Okay.
Staying up all night, just sleep bilang your tia ni your tia pai ni At least mentangi kasih dangdan family mah. Dangdan ni
Yes, me ki men
ki parama. Hoi.
Ti nga thai
Ni lakla di tan hai. Hoi, kadai kendo pun beri semua baru ya ki podcast ki ke baro. Hoi.
Ka sa page sa ngap ngan sayu ngan sakli te jingkli shibet.
Hoi. Kadai actually.
Kalami. Don't worry, Kalami. This is part of the video. Ta. Okay, ta. Bye.
Okay, bye, Ma.
Bye.
Alright, today ilok si jonga. Hala ka jong ka jing. Snguthu ka jongi ladang ampik pun. Pe ngapa bunsin nindal akol kum dorsin lai sin ngasat panik.
I mean,
Masyad panik,
obviously
mate.
you don't kunta ma.
Ya, nomor beli lada ikol sisin lada kadang hapo ke you kumne ding ngalaskap am. Tian dari sisin mi la kol ya arsin lai sinam tu panik mood dam kan mi bet nomor ba.
If you never
Ani
know.
tip ra ani ka kadang wi kesin ni bang ayo ba you stom kulungam adu ba kipera hospital nga kami apik phone. So that's why ya ki kpa jungi kalong ke ba kongsan phal ki long kpa jungi lete ki ba let's say badan ke jingkit kli hayengam long it's a big lesson te ba please do not ignore calls from family te nomor ba bunsin ni ke dipstu ani ngati I've learned the hardest lesson of anyway tingin ni sedang no ya ka podcast jongi te page stay tune do ba sedang hadu ke bekut. Oh yes, kebam.
Kabam day.
Jit kebam yes ngang la pai pi ke tu ke you. Yes, so it is sponsored by Murphy's Kitchen. So please
Nice.
Jit ke bafiman. Wa Murphy's Kitchen Kulishbon, shout out to Murphy's Kitchen. Shout out to Murphy's Kitchen Kulishbon.
I think nan bam ni combo ni chicken burger ma.
You should type into pi pai ngang and should forward okay.
Actually no. Beef burger.
Che kat ba I kong Catherine idang jit ke jingbam ke jongi ti ngan penkut no swai ni video ha kan iklemat ti select ban page hapo ke haslong podcast anda la penli ikani subscribe ke haslong podcast bas kumjuru sa follow ru I po Instagram. She goes by the name Catherine Shadap matam Shai Eyegloss Collective. Hadu bang am tip ira ka kerting jong iru ningkong. Te tomba.
From YouTube, actually, I met this Bollywood actress nga like last year Yung tinggal lah change ke duka po nga change sa kerteng and idi full Bollywood actress na hit mo la many movies she's acted. Think I eating a strong bit, ma'am. Excuse me, I cannot believe you're standing here. And then I shandur, and then I can eat the next day. I was looking for Glass Collective. You know me, huh?
Nice.
It's like wow, wow. It was a moment.
That's the power of social media. That's the power of social media. Nice. Ngisi keren jo. Ori kelarul na kayo. Kelarul no mana? Ting ingin pin kono kelarul ke ni kelayat ke kamera te. Ingin saya share mapi wei pada video. Ki perlok sengi pepet ngi dang vlog ngani ke pot. Kerampat sedang ke podcast lagi vlog lupa. So follow i Kong Catherine. Ngatrai mata filadan secondary account rungi befila bu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because ngabun haki personality.
Oh, duh. Okay, this following and sabu link in description. But since you'll be inspired and all of the things that you need, kamtam na bata ki thay but ki rang badan kam sunscreen. So nice. Okay. See you in the next video. Which one?